Here. So his annual salary is how much? Annual salary? ಈಗ ಮುಗಿತಲ್ಲ ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿವರೆಗೆ annual salary 5,000 and it is increasing by 200. So 5,000 plus 200, 5,200. Next, so it will continue till 7,000. Correct? Correct? Read the full question. In which year? So which year did this income reach 7,000? That we are calculating. Understood or no? First month he is getting, first year he is getting 5,000 salary. Next year, whole year he is getting 5,200. Next whole year he is getting 5,400. When will he reach 7,000? That is the question. Okay. So this is my A. A is 5,000. Next B is 5,200 minus 5,000. That is D is equal to 200. I got my A. I got my D. Next AN. AN is equal to 7,000. Next, after this, now I should find N, correct? AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. See here, whenever you are finding the now what I am finding the term when it will be 7,000. So it is N. Understood or no? I am finding term. So AN is equal to how much? 7,000 is equal to A is 5,000. Plus N is how much? I don't know. That one I am finding. D 200. 7,000 is equal to 5,000 plus N into 200. 200 N minus 1 into 200 minus 200. This 5,000 I will send this side. 7,000 minus 5,000 plus 200. Okay, everything numbers I have sent this side. I'm sending the numbers this side. 5,000 went, 200 went. Is equal to 200 N. 7,000 minus 5,000, 2,000, 2,200 is equal to 200 N. N is equal to 2,200 by 200. 2 zeros, 2 zeros, 2 ones are 11s. N is equal to 11. So at 11th year, his salary will be how much? 7,000 rupees. Correct. Don't say and do this. This is the first sum you should actually keep in AP. Full chapter first sum ida ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. Because this is only AP. What is AP means? You will get one sequence. Okay, one proper sequence will be there, proper D will be there, common difference, and you will find the future term. Yes or no? We found out his future salary. Okay, right.